I am going to show you how to publish your recently created Bolt.ai website, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So here it is, our website generated with Bolt.ai. To just click on Publish here at the top right corner and click Choose Public or Private, so I'm going to choose Public. And click on Publish, and our website now is successfully being published. And this will take to make your website publicly accessible. So, a note here, you will get a default domain name for your website. It's not a custom domain name, so it's going to be usually called Bolt AI domain name. So, here it is, almost close. If you want to add a new domain name, so we must push this link and connect it here. So, this is pretty much it for this path scaling. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.